Imagine earning money while you sleep. Sounds too good to be true, right? That's the magic of dropshipping. It's a business model where you sell products online without needing to stock inventory. Your supplier handles shipping, while you focus on marketing and growing your store. For aspiring entrepreneurs, dropshipping is a low-risk way to create passive income. You don't need a big upfront investment or a warehouse. With simple tools and clear steps, it's entirely possible to launch a store from scratch and scale it into a sustainable income stream. When I began, I knew almost nothing about e-commerce. What made the difference? Learning and consistent action. I researched the basics, watched tutorials, and studied successful businesses. Keep in mind, you don't have to be perfect to start. You just need to take that first step. My first step was choosing a niche, a specific product category to focus on. This helped me stand out in the competitive marketplace. From there, I dedicated time to learning tools like Shopify, which make building an online store easy even for beginners with no technical skills. The foundation of your dropshipping success lies in choosing the right products. I use tools like AliExpress and research platforms like Oberlo to identify trending items. Look for products that solve problems, have proven demand, and offer good profit margins. Focus on products that spark curiosity or emotion. For example, tech gadgets, home decor items, or unique fitness tools often perform well. Avoid items with too many sellers or overpriced shipping fees, as these can cut into your profits. Setting up your store is easier than you think. Using Shopify, I created a simple and professional website without any coding. Pick a clean, user-friendly theme and customize it to match your niche and branding. First impressions matter. Make your store visually appealing. Don't forget the essentials. Write compelling product descriptions. Include high-quality images. And set clear pricing. Adding trust signals, such as customer reviews and secure payment logos, can also boost credibility and encourage more sales. A store without visitors won't make money. That's why marketing is critical. I started small with social media ads on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Target people interested in your niche to effectively reach potential customers. Another free but powerful traffic strategy is using social media content. Create engaging posts, videos, and reels showcasing your products. Quality content can captivate an audience and build trust over time, leading to sales without spending heavily on ads. Dropshipping isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes patience and testing and learning from mistakes. My first product didn't sell well, but I didn't quit. I analyzed what wasn't working and kept improving my approach. Consistency is the real key to success. Also, customer service plays a huge role. Responding to inquiries quickly, offering refunds, and ensuring smooth order fulfillment help you stand out. Treat your customers well. They're the heart of your business. If I can do it from scratch, so can you. The steps are simple, and the possibilities are endless. Don't let fear or overthinking hold you back. The best time to start is now. Begin your journey toward financial freedom by launching your first dropshipping store. Join the ranks of successful entrepreneurs taking control of their income and lifestyle. Take that first step today and start building your passive income future.